Hi, honeys. I'm just coming to my post office, and some of my honeys said they sent me something, and I should expect it today. So I'm in the post office now. I'm going to my mailbox. Let me turn this around. Okay, I'm going to my post office mailbox. Check it. There it is. Hey, okay, that's something. When the package is too big to fit in this little box, that's the size of it. Uh-oh. Close this. Then they give me a key, so I can go to one of their, where's the key? I can go to the locker. That's what I'm going to now. Let's see what number 16. I hope it's not real low. So I get dizzy when I have to bend down. It's right here. Oh, I got two things. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this camera up, y'all. And I will do the unboxing when I get home. Okay, I put my packages in my trunk and I'm headed to noonday prayer at my church. We have prayer every day and I've only been one time. That's a crying shame. So since I'm out and about and I didn't do devotion today at home, I'm going to noonday prayer. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, I'm at my church now. Getting out the car. Let me lock this door, just in case. It's my first lady driving up. Got a pretty church, y'all. It's just big enough. Okay, let me cut this off. Okay, I just came from prayer. It ran about 25 minutes over. So now I'm at the bank. One of my daughters had borrowed quite a bit of money from us. Well, anyway, she paid it back when she said she would. And I've been carrying this money around in my purse in an envelope for about 2 weeks now. And I've been pinching off. So I'm at the bank now. I'm about to put this money in the bank. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back in now. It's about maybe 2:30. So I'm going to open up my love mail or honey mail. I'm going to start with the smaller one first. Let's see what I got here. From Amazon. Let me see. I don't have to use the scissors. Get out of this dining room. It's hot in here. Okay, that's everything. First, I'm going to read my note. Oh my goodness, and I needed this the other day. Okay, it says, a gift for you. I don't know if you have any whisk, but when I saw you mixing brownies with a spatula, I thought I should send these to you. I have the same ones. Everything I have is red too. Look what one of my honeys sent me, y'all. Look at that. 2 of them. And I actually wished I had one. I don't think I've ever owned a whisk. I got 2 of them and they're red to match all my stuff. Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to see who sent it. I'm thinking it was from the same person that sent the pepper. Okay, his name is not on here anywhere. I think it was Bill W. But the name is not on here anywhere. I want to thank you. I was wishing for a whisk, and now I got two. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate these. And I will put these to good use. When I don't want to bring out my big old mixer, I got the whisk, yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you. And I think it was from Bill. If it wasn't, and somebody else sent it, please let me know who it was. But I'm thinking it's from Bill W. The person who sent me the pepper and the plastic gloves, so I can use them when I'm making my chicken. Yeah, I don't see the name on here anywhere, but I think that's from him. Okay, let's get to the other honey mail. It's in a big heavy box. And I want to let you all know that I appreciate all gifts equally. Because y'all ain't got to send me nothing. So, I have no idea what's in here. Let me slit this open. I got a steak knife. And I've seen some people open it with the knife going toward them. My mom always taught me to cut away from your body. Just in case there's a mishap, you ain't gonna stab yourself in the heart. Always cut away from your body. Okay. And this one has the name on here. This is from Brother Larry. One of my honeys. I have no idea what it is. Oh my goodness. Now I can use this, I can even use this bubble wrap for when I send stuff. Okay. He had told me that he was going to send me instant read thermometer, because the one I got, it takes forever to take the reading. Okay, I'm trying to see how to, I ain't used to nothing like this. Okay, I've got a little, guess I gotta put a battery in it. Let's see, yeah, there's a battery in it. Let me see. That in right? Yes, incorrectly. Oh, on and off. This is nice. Look at sticky stuff on here. And it's red, y'all. Oh, my honeys really know me. Okay, I will be putting this to good use also. Okay, let me see. Okay, I ain't gonna tear it up trying to figure out how to fold this back. Oh, there you go. You have to mash the button to fold it back down. And turn it off by pressing that button. Very nice. And it has on the back of here a button you can press for Fahrenheit or what's the other? Celsius? Yeah, I guess. Very nice. And it's by the company Therm Pro. Now this is what he said it's gonna send me. But I got this big old box. And on top I see mustard. Y'all know I use a lot of yellow mustard for marinating my chicken. And I also put this on pork chops. I put it on ribs. I put it on fish. So I use yellow mustard on everything. And people always ask, why do I use it? It adds another layer of flavor. I'm not sure if it tenderizes or not, but it makes your food taste good. It helps the seasoning stick better. And what else? It's just good, y'all. And your food will not taste like mustard. One of my honeys actually told me, oh my goodness. One of my honeys actually got me using it. I got another one just like the other one. And another one just like the other one. And another. He sent me 4 things of mustard. Now you know I'm going to put those to good use. Angle this downward. See that? I have truly been blessed today, y'all. I want to thank my honey so much. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Bill. I'm pretty sure it was Bill. I want to thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate you. Really, for real, for real. Oh my goodness, I don't believe it. Thank you. Thank you. And this is stuff that either I needed to use or that I do use. What brand is this? It just says Wired Whisk. Is that the brand name? It's Wire Whisk Silicone Whisk. Okay, so this is silicone. Nice, very nice. Thank you. So, if you like my honey mail unbagging, unboxing, I want to thank you all. And I want to ask you all to give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed day. And I have been blessed already by my honeys. Thank you so much. Bye. Just hold up a couple things. Okay, bye. I want to hold up a mustard. Now y'all look at the video. Okay, I'm gone now. For real. Bye.